Okay, folks, the Hero 2000 had an option for a demo ROM. And if you purchased it, you got 11 routines that Heathkit put together to demonstrate the robot. And what you're about to see is one of those routines. The seventh routine on the demo ROM is called count. And we run that by executing 0, 1, 6 and number 7.
Please select 1 trophy. Quiet, please. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please select 1 trophy.
Okay, I terminated it. It'll count noises of any kind that it detects, and as many times as you do it within a certain period of time. And that's it for count.